start today with our bird, and we're gonna start with a kind of like a J, and then we're gonna put an arrow on it like that. Then we're gonna draw a little circle, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of white there, and then we're gonna draw another circle around that circle. Then I'm gonna draw a line that comes up and back down. And I'm gonna draw a line right here. That's gonna be his wing here in a second. Now I'm gonna draw a line back. Draw his little tail feathers so that it come out, come up, and go back down. And he's got to have some feet, so I'm gonna draw a line down like so, and I think I'm gonna connect this now and draw another leg. Okay, so now where would this bird be? Where would he be? Where would he be? Would he be in his nest? Would he be on a branch? I think I'm gonna have him be on a branch. So I'm gonna draw a branch, and I'm gonna try to draw it not perfect because it's made in nature, so stuff made in nature isn't super straight and perfect. Okay, so now he's on a branch. How am I gonna tell people that he's on a branch and not like, I don't know, somewhere else? Well, probably I need to, create a sense of sky. So I think I'm gonna put some fluffy clouds behind him. And the little fluffy clouds here that are getting more toward the horizon line are gonna get smaller because they're farther away. Maybe he has like some little baby birds by him. Maybe I'll do that. That would be fun. So I'm gonna start again. Okay, there we go. Now I just need to color it.